Hey there, fitness seekers, welcome back to the podcast. I'm Dr. Corbett, and today we're diving into a life-changing challenge that's going to help you get fit in just 30 days. Whether you're looking to shed a few pounds, tone up, or just build healthier habits, this challenge is designed to kickstart your transformation. And the best part? It's simple, doable, and absolutely free. So, if you're ready to unlock a fitter, healthier version of yourself, let's jump right in. Now, I know what you might be thinking, 30 days to get fit. Is that really possible? Well, yes and no. Let me explain. While you might not go from couch to Olympic athlete in a month, what is possible is making noticeable improvements to your fitness level, strength, and overall well-being. And this challenge isn't just about quick results, it's about building a foundation for long-term success. Step 1. Set clear, achievable goals. The first step to succeeding in any fitness challenge is setting a goal, something that's personal, realistic, and measurable. Is your goal to lose 5 pounds? To be able to run 3 miles without stopping? Or maybe just to feel more energetic throughout your day? Take a moment to write down what success looks like for you at the end of these 30 days. It doesn't have to be dramatic, it just has to be meaningful to you. Having that goal in mind will keep you motivated when things get tough, because let's be honest, every challenge has tough moments. Step 2. The 30-day workout plan. Alright, now let's get into the meat of this. Here's how the 30-day fitness challenge is going to work. Each day, you're going to commit to 30 minutes of exercise. I'm giving you full flexibility to choose the kind of exercise that fits your lifestyle and interests. If you're a beginner, start with walking, cycling, or a beginner-friendly workout video on YouTube. Intermediate? Try some high-intensity interval training, bodyweight exercises, or strength training. Advanced? Push yourself with more intense strength circuits, or maybe even sign up for a fitness class you've never tried before. The idea is to get your heart rate up, sweat a little, and keep moving for at least 30 minutes. And remember, consistency beats intensity. It's better to have 30 moderate days than to go super hard for a week and then burn out. Step 3. Nutrition, fueling your body right. Fitness isn't just about what you do in the gym or on the yoga mat, it's also about what you put in your body. For the next 30 days, I challenge you to focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods. That means fresh veggies, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. A couple of hacks to keep it simple. Meal prep. Take some time on the weekends to prepare meals for the week. This way, you're not scrambling for something healthy when you're busy. Hydration. Drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated helps with energy levels, muscle function, and even your mood. Cut the junk. Try to cut down on processed foods and sugary snacks. Your body will thank you. But here's the kicker, don't be too hard on yourself. If you have a bad meal or skip a workout, it's not the end of the world. The key is to get back on track as soon as you can. Step 4. Track your progress. Now, how do you know you're making progress? You've got to track it. Grab a notebook, use your phone's notes app, or even an app like MyFitnessPal or a fitness tracker. Write down how you're feeling after each workout. Log your meals. Note your energy levels, your sleep patterns, or even your mood. Sometimes the progress isn't all about weight or inches, it could be mental clarity, better sleep, or just feeling more confident in your body. Tracking these changes will help you see how far you've come, and that's going to keep you going. Step 5. Stay accountable. One of the hardest parts of any fitness journey is staying motivated when things get tough. So, here's the final challenge, find an accountability buddy. It could be a friend, family member, or even a social media group. Share your goals and your progress with them. They can help lift you up on days when you feel like skipping a workout or reaching for that extra slice of cake. You can even challenge each other to fun fitness goals, like who can do the most squats in a minute or who can go the longest without sugar. Make it fun. Step 6. Celebrate small wins. This is super important, don't forget to celebrate your wins along the way. Every day you show up for yourself is a win. Did you finish your workout today? That's a win. Did you drink all your water? That's a win. These small victories build momentum and help you stay positive throughout the 30 days. Final thoughts. So, there you have it, the 30-day fitness challenge that's going to help you get fitter, stronger, and more confident in your body. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. In 30 days, you'll feel the difference, and you might even surprise yourself with how much you can achieve. Are you ready to take on the challenge? We believe in you, and we're so excited to see your transformation. Let's crush these 30 days together, one workout, one meal, and one step at a time. Thanks for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe, share it with a friend who needs a little fitness inspiration, and drop a review. We'll be back with more tips and motivation to keep you on track. Until then, stay strong, stay positive, and let's get fit together.